Hello everyone, I'm Amit from Mail Smartly. Today in this video, you will learn a very important topic of Microsoft Outlook, which is quick steps. Outlook quick steps are the features that allow users to automate common and repetitive tasks in Microsoft Outlook. They can be seen as a series of shortcuts, actions, bundles together that can help you save time and boost productivity. In simple words, when you repeatedly act on an incoming email or want to send an email with a specific particular manner, you need to enable or activate some features in Microsoft Outlook. Quick Step is a one-time setup which help you to act on that email in a single click. So without wasting time, let's get started on my computer screen. So first of all, where is Quick Step in Microsoft Outlook? So if you look on the interface, there are multiple options here. So the Quick Step is available on the Home tab on the top left corner of your screen. When you click on the Home tab, you will get tons of sections, and the Quick Step is available in here. So when you click on this expander also, you will get some more options, or the dialog box of Manage Quick Steps appears. So how to access quick steps? So if you can see, you have few by default options available here. On this section, a small expander. When you click on this, you will get few by default options available here. You can create a new one, and you can also create your customized quick steps. So if you select the first one, to manager, that means the action will be to forward the mail. The shortcut key assigned is none currently, and the tooltip is forward the selected mail to your manager. So if you want to add it, or you want to add some additional feature or additional action in this quick step, you have to click on this added button. When you click on this, you will see to manager. You can name also, to change the name of your manager, see Deepak. Now the first action is to forward, and you have to enter the email address of your manager. There are few options here. You can simply click on this to, that will take you to the address book. You can select the email address of your manager here. Second option is you can enter the email address manually. And you can also click on the show options, which will allow you to add some additional information in your email while you forward the email to your manager. Like you can add CC, you can add the subject. By default, when you forward the mail to your manager, you will get this FW colon and your subject. If you want to remove or add some additional content in your subject, you can do this here. You can add the flag. By default, there is no flag. You can also add the importance of your email. You can add the text in your email while you forward to your manager. That will also allow you to add the delay delivery option here while you send the email to your manager. Now, if you can see, there is an option which is add action. When I click on it, another action will be appear similar to the above. In the above, you are forwarding the mail. But if you want to add some another action to the same email, so you have to simply click on this drop down, and you will see there are tons of options here. Move to folder, which is already selected here. Move to folder, copy to folder, delete message, permanently delete message, change status, mark as read, mark as unread. You can add tons of categories, flagging, create task with attachments, respond, appointments, and conversation. These are few other options here. So I want to add set important here. So after you select the set importance, you have three options: high, normal, low. You can add it. And once you have added this, the next step is You can also assign a shortcut key. So when you click on this drop down, you will have few options here, Control Shift 1 to Control Shift 9. You can assign a shortcut key to this action or to this quick step and simply hit save. So I enter the email address of my manager, double click on it. The email address is added here, click OK. Now all set. The name of my manager is Deepak. Forward to this email address. Additional options is not there. I also added the importance, which is high. I have also not assigned any keyboard shortcut and simply hit OK. Now you will see my quick steps to the manager is to Deepak, and this is already all set. There are few other options, which is duplicate. When I click on this duplicate, Outlook automatically create a copy of this quick steps, and this is delete. When I want to remove the entire this quick step, I only have to click on this delete button. Click OK, and boom. When I select an email like this and I want to send to my manager, all I have to do is to simply go to my quick steps above here and simply hit this Deepak. When I click on it, forward email window, everything is set. Email address of my manager is added. The subject is already added. The content is already added, and simply hit send button. That way I don't have to bother and add some additional information here. Instead, I only have to click this single button available on the quick steps. So the next option is team email. So again, click on this expander, select this team email. The team email means you want to send a new email. Keyboard shortcut assign is none. Create a new email to your team. So simply hit edit. Now here, first of all, you have to name your team. So I don't want to change it. The first action is new email. You can change the action here, selecting from the drop down. Now I have already added office team email address here. If you want to further add members here, you can click on this to button. That will take you to the address book. Here you can check out the email addresses of your team members, or you can use the distribution list. So if you want to learn more about how to create a distribution list, you can check out the link in my description section below, and you will learn how to create a distribution list very easily. So if you want to add some additional members here or another distribution list, simply select it, click on 2. Now I have 2 distribution lists added. Simply hit OK. Now I can also use this show options where I can further add CC, BCC. If every time I want to mail to my team members and I want a specific subject to be displayed, when I click on this team member icon from the quick steps, I can add the subject line here. I can use the flag importance options, and I can also use this text where I can enter the message text here. I can use this checkbox if I want to delay the message by 1 minute. Additionally, if I want to add another action here, I have to use this button here that will allow me to add some additional actions here. For instance, if I want to send the email to the team members and I want to move to the folder, so I simply select this move to folder. Now I have to choose the folder. Say if I want to save the mail in this folder, so I use this. Although if you send the email, the mail will be automatically saved in the send items, but still if you want to save the mail in a different folder, you can choose it here. You can assign the keyboard shortcut and simply hit save. All is set here. Click OK. Now when you want to mail or you want to create a new mail and want to send to your team members, you don't have to click on this new email and you have to draft your email, add the email addresses of your members, enter the subject every time. You simply have to click on this team email button, and boom, you will see the email addresses of both the teams are added automatically here. I have not entered the subject line, so it is blank here. I have also not entered the CC or BCC, so it is blank here. And simply hit send button. That will save my time and my efforts. And the most important thing is, by using this feature, I never miss out any team members to send an email. So these are few by default quick steps provided by Microsoft Outlook. But there is one important feature of in quick steps, which is custom. When I click on this custom, you will see the quick steps dialog box appears and everything is blank. That means you can create your customized quick steps very easily using this option. So in this way, you can name your customized quick steps. So I leave it as my quick step. It's a good name. Now first action is choose an action. There is no by default action available in this custom quick steps. Click on this drop down and I use say reply. The first action I want is reply. Click on the show options. So reply to. I don't want to add the email address because reply means when I click on the selected email, the email will be replied to the same email address where I received the email from. I want to add the subject, say urgent. I assign Ctrl+Shift+1 as a keyboard shortcut. Further, I click add actions. The next action I want to add is move to folder. I want to select the folder here. If you don't want these folders available here, so you can also click on this other folder dialog box. And still, if you don't want these folders, you can create the new one here. So I want to create a new one with the name of my quick steps. Folder contain mail and post items, which is no problem. Click OK. So I want to select this folder here, click OK. My folder is added here. Now if you want to further add some actions, because it's my customized quick step, so I once again click on add action. Now here I want to flag message, say next week. I have already assigned a keyboard shortcut which is Ctrl+Shift+1 and simply hit finish. Now you will see I have added 3 actions: reply, move to this folder and flag the message. And the keyboard shortcut I assign is Ctrl+Shift+1. If I further want to edit it, simply hit edit button. I am re-forwarded to the edit quick step option. And in case you want to remove some actions you have already added, you can use this delete button in front of the action. Now I don't want anything modification in this, hit OK. Now I will show you if I want to reply to this message as a quick step, I use Ctrl+Shift+1. As soon as I click on it, see my reply dialog box appears. The email address is already added here. The subject, I have added urgent word, so it is already available here. Now, when I click on the send button, you will see my folder, my quick step. The mail is sent to my recipient, but the copy is added in this quick step. When I click on this folder, you will see the color, the flag is already available here. And the copy of this email will be saved in this my quick steps. You can also check out the copy in the send items. See, this mail is already in the send items, but I want a copy to be saved in my quick step folder. So that way you can use predefined formats of quick steps, as well as you can create your customized quick steps according to your requirement. That's the power of quick steps in Outlook. By automatic repetitive tasks, you can streamline your email management, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters, whether it's moving emails, flagging them, or creating group messages. Quickstep has got you covered. Start using quick steps and experience a significant boost in a productivity. Remember, work smarter, not harder. If you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.